Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching shopping in Sotho. Ke bokae? Ke bokae? Ke bokae means how much. Buka. Buka. Buka means book. Dipeni. Dipeni. Dipeni means pens. Pampiri. Pampiri. Pampiri means paper. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.